Does it feel like your phone's battery life just isn't what it used to be? You charge it to 100%, but just a few hours later, you're already scrambling for a charger as it plummets to 20%. It's incredibly frustrating, and your first thought might be that you need a new battery or even a whole new phone. But hold on, before you spend a single dollar, I want you to watch this video all the way through. I'm about to share some simple 5-minute fixes that can dramatically improve your battery life, starting today. Most people jump to the conclusion that a fast-draining battery is a faulty battery. But more often than not, the real culprits are hiding in plain sight. Incorrect settings. Power-hungry apps running in the background, excessive heat, and even the way you charge your phone. The best part? You don't need any special apps, fancy tools, or technical expertise to solve these problems. Everything I'm about to show you is completely free and easy to do. Let's dive right in and tackle the biggest battery guzzler on your device, the screen. Your phone's display consumes more power than any other component. One of the most common mistakes people make is cranking the brightness up to the maximum and leaving it there all day. It might make your screen look vibrant, but it's absolutely killing your battery. Here's the simple fix. Go into your display settings and turn on auto brightness. This allows your phone to adjust the screen's intensity based on your surroundings, saving a ton of power. If you prefer manual control, a good rule of thumb is to keep the brightness level between 40 and 60% for most indoor situations. Just making this one small adjustment can boost your battery backup by as much as 20%. It's a huge win for such a tiny effort. Now, let's talk about the silent assassins of your battery life. Background apps. You might think that when you close an app, it's completely shut down, but that's rarely the case. Applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, various games, and GPS services often continue to run processes in the background. They're constantly checking for updates, syncing data, and tracking your location, all of which silently sip away at your battery. To put a stop to this, you need to take control. Head over to your phone's settings, find the battery section, and look for an option that shows app usage. Here you can identify which apps are the biggest offenders and restrict their background activity. For apps you don't use frequently, this is a must-do. After you've done this, you'll likely notice 2 immediate benefits. Your phone will run cooler to the touch, and it will feel noticeably faster and more responsive. Next up is a feature that many people misunderstand and underutilize: battery saver mode. Most of us only think to turn it on when we get that dreaded low battery warning. But here's a pro tip. The smartest users enable it much earlier. Battery saver mode works by intelligently reducing non-essential functions. It limits background data syncing, tones down visual effects and animations, and throttles some of the more power-hungry processes that you don't need running all the time. Instead of waiting until you're at 5%, go into your battery settings and set it to turn on automatically when you hit 30 or even 40%. This proactive approach gives you significantly longer battery life throughout the day without making your phone feel sluggish for essential tasks. It's about being smart with your power, not just reacting to an emergency. Let's move on to another set of hidden drains: your phone's connectivity features. I'm talking about location services, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Even when you're not actively navigating with maps or connected to a device, your phone is often working hard in the background. It's constantly scanning for available Wi-Fi networks, searching for Bluetooth devices to pair with, and using GPS to pinpoint your location for various apps. This constant scanning activity adds up and contributes to battery drain. So, here's a simple habit to adopt. If you're not using it, turn it off. Turn off GPS when you're not actively using navigation. Disable Bluetooth if you don't have a headset or smartwatch connected. A lesser-known tip. Dive into your advanced Wi-Fi settings and turn off Wi-Fi scanning, which allows apps to scan for networks even when Wi-Fi is off. These small steps collectively make a surprisingly big difference to your daily battery life. Now we've arrived at what might be the most crucial factor for the long-term health of your battery: your charging habits. Many of us have been taught to run our battery down to 0 and then charge it all the way up to 100%. While this might have been true for older battery technologies, it's actually detrimental to modern lithium-ion batteries. This full cycle charging puts stress on the battery and causes it to degrade faster over time. To preserve your battery's health, you need to adopt better charging practices. First, try not to let your battery level drop below 20%. Second, Instead of charging to a full 100, unplug it at around 80 or 85%. This sweet spot minimizes stress on the battery cells. Also, avoid leaving your phone to charge overnight. And finally, while fast charging is convenient, don't use it every single time if you have the option. Slower, more gentle charging is better for the battery in the long run. Adopting these habits can genuinely extend your battery's lifespan by months or even years. There's one more critical element that people often ignore, and it's a true battery killer: heat. Now, your phone's battery despises heat. High temperatures cause the chemical reactions inside the battery to speed up, leading to faster degradation and a permanent loss of capacity. What causes this heat? Intense gaming sessions, running heavy applications for extended periods, and very commonly, charging your phone while it's inside a thick insulating case. Heat is the #1 enemy of your battery's health. So, make it a rule to always remove your phone case before you plug it in to charge. This allows heat to dissipate properly. And if you're in the middle of a long gaming session or editing a video and you feel your phone getting hot, give it a break. Let it cool down. Protecting your phone from overheating is one of the most effective things you can do for its longevity. So let's recap. If you diligently follow all of the steps we've just covered, managing your screen brightness, restricting background, apps using battery saver, proactively turning off unnecessary scanning, adopting smarter charging habits, and keeping your phone cool, you are going to see some incredible results. You'll experience significantly longer screen-in time, meaning your phone lasts the whole day without a problem. You'll notice it runs cooler and performs better because the processor isn't being overworked by background tasks. And most importantly, you'll see a real, tangible slowdown in how fast your battery drains. And the absolute best part of all of this didn't cost you anything. You just unlocked more performance and longevity from the device you already own. If this video was helpful and you learned something new today, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more smart tech tips just like this one. And I want to know if it worked for you, so drop a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.